In order to get you started, we're going to have to get Blender first. So go ahead and open up your favorite browser, and in your address bar, go ahead and type blender.org. When that pops up, you'll see this blue button down here, Download Blender 2.82. This is the version we'll be showing you how to do things with. This page is letting you choose your operating system. We're going to be working with Windows today. Go ahead and download that, and I recommend you put that in a place where you'll be able to find it later. Wait for that to download, and we'll move on to the next step. Once you've located the file, Blender 2.82, this is Windows 64-bit, and follow the directions here. Go ahead and click Next. You'll have to accept the terms. And go ahead and click Next. These default settings are all safe. It might take a few minutes to install, but go ahead and click Finish, and you're all set up.